Hi guys, Laz here again, and in this video we're going to be talking about navigation and setting up your menus. But before we do that, let's go in here real quick. We created a couple other pages about us and frequently asked questions. Now guys, we are going to be giving you guys these scripts so that you guys could use them for your own stores, and they're pretty awesome because we've actually used these and they work great. So we're giving them to you guys for free, and you guys can use them on your stores. So let's look at this one real quick here. So this one I've gone ahead and edited it so that it shows uh, Happy Paws. So Happy Paws Outlet is one of the world's leading online discount pet stores. We are a fast-growing company because we always put the customer first. A customer-centered shopping experience has always been our goal, and we pride ourselves in our comprehensive policies that have put us in a realm above and beyond our competitors. Here at Happy Paws, we believe in passing along deeply discounted sale prices to our customers, typically saving them 30 to 70% off retail costs. So that right there shows that our online store is legit. We're trying to save prices, so that's why our prices are discounted. We believe that serving the customer upholds a responsibility to ensure that they are satisfied with their purchases. We will do our best to make sure that our customers are happy. We believe we can create a good impact in the industry forever by focusing on our customers' needs. So yeah, pretty much we're just giving them a bunch of good stuff here so that they can feel at ease when they're making purchases from us. We're giving them here questions on any of our products or can't find what you're looking for. Contact us at support at happypawsoutlet.com, and a friendly customer service representative will be more than happy to help you with your purchase. So basically, at the start, ourselves will probably be the customer service representative, but you can also just give that job to a VA, pay them $5 an hour, and then they could take care of all those emails for you, which is what we do right now. And we've gone ahead and linked our FAQ page here as well. So, and that's the about us. Now, going back, we also added the frequently asked questions, which is another big one. And pretty much some of these are the biggest questions that you will probably see. How much does shipping cost? And then there's an explanation for this here. Our items are shipped out separately unless you buy two or more of the same thing. Well, that is because we're buying from AliExpress, and all the products are not going to be coming from the same supplier, at least not at first, maybe later, once you build a relationship with them. But at first, we'll be getting products from different suppliers, and I'll explain that later a little bit. So yeah, it pretty much explains a lot of things here. Uh, so it talks about free items, which is free plus shipping items, and that's when you put an item for free. Basically, it costs $0, and then you charge them only for shipping. So that is something that we do as well here. So this we've added it here into the frequently asked questions. How do I check my status of my order? How long does delivery take? Do you deliver products internationally? I've placed an order with multiple items recently. Can I combine them into one package? I put a wrong shipping address. Can I change it? How secure is my personal information? So all these things we basically answered here for you guys. All you guys have to do is go in and basically change where this says Happy Paws and put your store name, and change some of these things. Contact us, learn more. You want to change, update these links because right now they're going to Happy Paws and to a specific page, as you can see here. So you want to update all these things, the links, the names. You want to make sure that it is all based on your store. But yeah, that's pretty much for these pages. Now we want to do the navigation. So let's head on over there. And here we are in navigation. So basically what this is, and guys, we're just doing this on the fly. This is not pre-prepared. So we're just doing this as we go. So right here, how we do this, we're going to add a menu. And this could be a number of things. So here we can call this main menu. And then under the main menu, we want to add menu items. So here we could add the about us. And here you can add the pages that you've already created. So here we want to go to pages, want to go about us, and here we're adding the menu item to the main menu, about us. Another item to the main menu, we can add frequently asked questions, FAQs. Go to pages, FAQs, add that. We can add the contact us. Actually, we're not going to add the contact us here because that would just allow this to keep getting crowded. We're actually just going to add categories. And under categories, we're going to put our collections. So we haven't created any product collections just yet. So for right now, we're just going to put our collections under categories. But yeah, this is how we set up the menu items, and this will make a whole lot more sense once we create our theme and we actually start editing that theme. This is going to make a lot more sense. Right now, it doesn't make any sense because we don't have products yet. We haven't created collections for those products. But when we create those collections, then we can add them here and pretty much just populate this with all our subcategories. So we're going to save this menu for now. Going to go back here. So we already have main menu, we have catalog. We actually want to delete this one because we're not going to use this one. Delete this, delete catalog, save. I think, yeah. So we're not going to use that one. We're using this one right here. The footer menu. So this is usually where you want to have all your terms of service. Terms of service. Let's go to pages, terms of service. This will be at the bottom of every page. Refund policy. Privacy policy. And we can also add the contact us. Contact us. We'll add that there. Move these around. Put that right there. And then we'll click save. So here we've created our footer menu and our main menu. Here on the main menu is where we're going to have the about us, frequently asked questions, the categories, all that good stuff that's going to come out on the top of our page. Kind of similar. So I was just looking at this because we're making a pet store. So yeah, this is kind of like the main menu right here. And then the footer, if we scroll all the way to the bottom, is this stuff down here. About, charities, help center, etc., etc. So yeah, that's a good example right there. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for navigation, guys. We'll get more into this once we start doing the themes, which we're going to be doing in the next section. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and see you guys in the next video.